In 2026, firing your offshore customer support team to deploy AI agents is the ultimate Silicon Valley management illusion. You think you are optimizing your costs. You are actually trading predictable fixed labor expenses for a violently volatile API tax, plus unlimited legal liability. Welcome to the Stack Anatomy. We strip away the BS to dissect business tech stacks with surgical precision. Today, AI agents versus offshore human support. We are here to expose the resolution tax, the hallucination liability, and the brutal financial math that determines if AI is actually protecting your margins or quietly incinerating your cash flow. Phase 1. The true structure of your API bill. AI platforms sell you infinite scale at zero marginal cost. That is a structural lie. Enterprise A1 agents charge between $1 and $250 per resolved ticket. On paper, it looks cheaper than humans, but look at the 3 hidden layers underneath. Layer 1, the context window tax. The more complex a ticket, the more tokens it burns. Costs grow exponentially. Layer 2, the model migration tax. When the platform upgrades its underlying LLM, your entire prompt architecture must be rebuilt. Layer 3, the failed ticket double billing. Some platforms charge you even for tickets the AI fails to resolve before escalating to a human. The AI failed, but you still pay. Then comes the surge trap. Black Friday hits. A logistics partner delays shipments. 40,000 customers flood your chat. Your offshore team works at a fixed hourly rate. Your AI agent handles all 40,000 queries instantly. The next morning, you wake up to an $80,000 API bill. You converted a fixed expense into a tax that scales aggressively with chaos. Phase 2, hallucination liability, the legal bomb. The API bill is only the first hemorrhage. The more dangerous threat is hallucination liability. LMs are probabilistic prediction engines. They are designed to sound confident, not to be factually accurate. When a customer complains about a delayed $2,000 sofa, your AI hallucinates a policy and promises a full refund plus a free replacement. Under the 2026 legal framework, that transcript is legally binding. The EU AI Liability Directive and U.S. consumer statutes are explicit. The legal responsibility belongs to you, the operator. Your AI is not a tool. It is an unsupervised legal entity, signing thousands of contracts a day. When a human makes a mistake, you lose 1 order. When your AI hallucinates a discount code during a surge, you lose $500,000 before you can hit the kill switch. Phase 3, the silent destruction of LTV. The industry assumes all interactions are transactional. They are wrong. When a high net worth customer receives a damaged product, they do not want a hyper-efficient robot. They want empathy. When you force your top 20% of spenders into an endless AI loop, you save $2 on a ticket, but you permanently burn a customer with a $5,000 lifetime value. You are picking up pennies in front of a steamroller. Phase 4. The hidden costs of offshore human support. In the interest of precision, the deliberately ignored costs of offshore teams must also be calculated. Behind that $8 to $12 hourly rate, there are 3 cost lines that never make it into the BPO proposal. First, local QA overhead. You need full-time quality assurance staff monitoring your offshore team's output. That headcount is not included in the BPO pricing. Second, cultural and language friction loss. Research shows that non-native English agents handling high-emotion complaints produce customer satisfaction scores that are 23% lower. This is a real revenue leak. Third, data compliance cost. Under GDPR and CCPA frameworks, the infrastructure required for cross-border data transfer is almost never factored into operational cost models. The correct financial model is not AI pricing versus offshore pricing. It is AI total cost versus offshore total cost. Both sides of this equation have hidden bills. The final decision framework. Before deploying any customer service architecture, answer these 4 questions to determine your outcome. Question 1. What is your ticket composition? If over 80% of your tickets are standardized queries, order status, return policy, AI handles it without problem. If a significant portion involves product consultation or high-emotion complaints, human support is irreplaceable. Question 2. What is your average order value? Below $150, AI liability exposure is manageable. Above $500, your core customers must never enter a pure AI flow. Question 3. What is your maximum tolerable single incident liability? If your product category carries any scenario that could trigger large-scale compensation claims, luxury goods, medical devices, financial products, the potential hallucination liability dwarfs whatever cost savings AI delivers. Do not route these tickets to AI. Question 4. How much does your ticket volume surge at peak? If your business has pronounced seasonal peaks, AI's variable cost structure becomes a financial nightmare. The only safe option is a hybrid model. AI handles baseline volume at low cost, and offshore human capacity scales up to absorb the peak surge, without the catastrophic API bill. Stop optimizing based on technology trends. Calculate your risk. Protect your margins. Subscribe to the Stack Anatomy. We will see you in the next dissection.